This is day 266, party like it is Thursday. Why your birthday is the worst day to start and the best day to rest. You wake up on your birthday and look at the calendar with a sudden surge of hope. You tell yourself that today is the day everything changes, the clean slate you've been waiting for. This belief is exactly the trap, because conditional start dates actually sabotage your progress. The birthday delusion. We love to delay our goals until a milestone arrives. We promise ourselves that we will begin our new routine on January 1st, or perhaps we'll wait until our birthday. This procrastination mantra feels like motivation, but it is actually a clever delay tactic. When we rely on magic calendar date to spark change, we give away our power to the calendar. We convince ourselves that the date itself will do the heavy lifting for us. July 2nd is no different from July 3rd. The start date never matters because real change does not care about the calendar. If you want to build a better life, you must realize that every day is a regular day. You can choose to begin at any moment, which means you do not need to wait for a special annual milestone to take action. Waiting for a birthday only keeps you stuck in a cycle of waiting. When you treat every day like a regular Tuesday or a regular Thursday, you remove the pressure of the perfect start. Rest as a requirement. Instead of using your birthday to launch a massive life overhaul, you should use it to rest. Think of it as a farmer who lets a field lie fallow so the soil can recover. Renewal is an organic requirement for growth, not a reward you must earn after you succeed. If you do not allow yourself to rest, you will eventually burn out. Your birthday is a natural checkpoint. It is a cultural and natural moment to pause rather than a performance milestone to measure your worth. When you treat the day as a forced starting line, you add unnecessary pressure. By choosing intentional recovery rather than a grand reinvention, you prepare your mind and body for the work ahead. Rest is not a sign of weakness, it is a non-negotiable requirement for sustainable progress. A day of rest is not wasted time, it is the soil where your future growth takes root. The one habit reset. If you want to regroup on your birthday or any other day, avoid the temptation to change everything at once. Grand resolutions usually collapse under the weight of their own within a few weeks. The practical path is to focus on a single repeatable core habit that you can sustain over the long term. You do not need to overhaul your entire life to make meaningful progress. Choose one small action that aligns with your values. It could be writing one paragraph, walking for 10 minutes, reading 5 pages. Recommit to this single habit. You do not need to reinvent your entire identity in 24 hours. You only need to master one daily routine that carries you forward. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Returning to the present. Tomorrow morning, you will wake up again and you will look at the calendar. The birthday balloons will begin to deflate and the regular world will return. Do not let the passing of another year pressure you into a frantic start. You do not need a brand new life today. Your next step is simple. Put away the long list of resolutions, close your planner, and give yourself permission to rest.